Hello guys, welcome back to another mukbang video. We got short video because oh that's cool. We got soft ice. It's cold.
Is that the cow or am I stupid? Yeah, Catwalker. Hold on. So let's go into the place. Catwalker's place is 2,500 visits. Let's see if there's anything at all. You never know.
Oh, my hand is cold.
We can't find her.
Oh wait, there's also kind of water.
Oh, going downstream. No. Catwalker has zero friend. Ooh, following, building man. Dude, it's always building man. That is freaking weird.
Yo, this ice is really good. You guys may be thinking, how do I survive not getting sad without getting any likes? I mean, I love making YouTube videos. I'll be doing this for years.
There we go. It's going to be nighttime soon, and the boiled one is absolutely terrifying at night.